First of all, we are going to find where is PowerPoint. So I'm clicking on the search bar and I'm typing PowerPoint. Then you'll get all the best match. Click open. Your app will be opened. As this is for beginners, I'm choosing a blank presentation. And now you can see a page that's called a slide. This is the title and this is the subtitle. I'm clicking to add a title. The title is PowerPoint. Now I'm going to give a subtitle, that is Learn PowerPoint. Now I want to make the title a little bit attractive, so I'm selecting the whole text and I'm going up and clicking this drop down. You will find various types of font styles here. You can choose anything and preview it by keeping the cursor. I'm choosing this font. You can see my font style changed. I'm doing the same for the subtitle. You can see both the fonts changed. Now I want to make this title little bit colorful. So I'm selecting the whole text. When I click this, you can see my text changed to red color. When I click this drop down, you can find various colors. These are the standard colors and I am choosing blue. You can see my text changed to blue. Now I'm selecting the subtitle and I'm changing the color. You can see this. Now I want to change the alignment of the text to right, to left and all. So I'm clicking this. You can see my text changed to the left. I'm doing the same for the subtitle. To the left, to the right. You can see it can change anywhere. We can change the position of the text anywhere. This slide is really blank, so I want to give a background. You can just go to Design tab to add backgrounds. After clicking the Design tab at the top, you can see various types of backgrounds suitable for your slide. You can preview it by keeping the cursor on it. You can see here my background is previewing. There are a lot of backgrounds. These are only some. When I click this drop down, you can see various types of other backgrounds which you can choose for your slide. Now I have got a background for my slide. So I'm going back to the Home tab at the top. The title slide is over. So I want to insert a new slide. Click this drop down. You can see a lot of sections for my new slide. There are so many options like blank, title slide, title and content. So I am clicking title and content, in which you can insert title and content like pictures, media, etc. Now we are going to insert pictures related to the title of the slide, PowerPoint. So go to the Insert tab. Click Pictures. You will get two options. If you have pictures in your device, click this device. Your File Explorer will be opened. You can choose the folder in which your file is available. I'm clicking the file and I'm clicking this Insert. You can see my picture is inserted from the device. You can drag and drop anywhere you want. If you don't have pictures with you, click again Pictures and click Online Pictures. And now a new tab will be opened. Here you can see a search box that's a Bing image search. Enter the search term what you want. I'm searching PowerPoint and I'm clicking this search icon. Wait for the images to load. You can see the images are coming. Yes, you have got every results from the web. You can scroll down and choose any pictures you want. And now I am choosing this picture. Click on the picture and click insert. And now my picture is inserted. You can see the size is too big, so I am resizing it. You can see, drag and drop. Okay, now we have inserted a picture from our device and online. Now we are going to do something special to give a transition for our slides. Now at the top, click the transitions tab. You can see there are a lot of captions like push, wipe, split, reveal, cut, etc. There are a lot of options. When I am clicking these curtains, you can notice my first appearing of the slide is opening of curtains. It makes the slide attractive. Now I am doing the same for the second slide. Clicking curtains. Here my first slide is changed to curtains. That makes your presentation more attractive. Now I have clicked crush. You can see my first slide is crushed, like crumpling of paper. You can choose anything and see the appearance. I am clicking airplane. Here my first slide turned into an airplane. This makes your presentation more attractive. Now our presentation is ready. Now we are going to save the presentation. For this, go to File, click Save. Now we are going to save our presentation in a particular folder. You can see many folders here. You can choose any folder. I am going to save my document in Documents. Now you will receive a pop-up window. You can rename your presentation here. I am renaming my presentation. Now I have renamed my presentation. Click Save. Now your presentation will be saved in the File Explorer. Now we are going to present our presentation. Go to Slideshow tab. Click from Beginning. Our slideshow has begun. You can see the Apply Transition Curtains has applied here. Click the arrow key, right arrow key on your keyboard to go to the next slide. And click again and my slideshow is over. Click to exit. Now we have covered all the topics as a beginner. The Home tab, how to insert pictures, and then adding transitions to our slides. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to receive all of my notifications.